Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this replacement: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a compatible replacement cable ready to go. If you don't have these tools at hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier to get the help you need. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD01 vacuum from the power outlet. Safety first. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the top of the handle. Carefully set these screws aside in a small bowl to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle off to expose the internal wiring. Here, you will see where the cable connects to the motor. It's important to take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this setup with your new cable. Using the wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable as close to the connection point as possible. Make sure to leave enough wire to connect the new cable. If you're unsure about the connection points, take a photo for reference. If you'd prefer not to tackle this alone, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your vacuum is repaired correctly. Now, strip about ½ inch of insulation off the ends of the new cable. You should see two wires, one typically colored black and the other colored white. Twist the ends of these wires to the corresponding wires from the vacuum, ensuring a tight fit. For extra security, you can use electrical tape to wrap the connections. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components of your vacuum. A clean vacuum runs more efficiently and lasts longer. Remember, if you're not comfortable with this process, we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to know the estimated costs upfront without any surprises. Once everything is securely connected, carefully replace the handle and align it with the screw holes. Secure it back in place with the Phillips screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plastic. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD01 vacuum and test the new cable. Check for any loose connections or issues. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01. However, if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out. Our service includes no calls, no travel, allowing you to focus on your day while we handle the repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.